Hey everyone, I'm super excited to make my first homemade resistor. But first, let me show you the rheostat I bought. A rheostat is basically a potentiometer, but it can handle more current, meaning it can dissipate more power. There's a scene in the movie Rambo where he gets electric shocks controlled by a rheostat. Of course, that's totally exaggerated. As I've shown in my videos, just 5 milliamps can freeze your body, 30 milliamps can stop your breathing, and 75 milliamps can cause ventricular fibrillation. Currents like that could easily be handled with a simple potentiometer, but in Rambo, the rheostat and flickering lights make it look dramatic. If that were real, Rambo would be dead in a couple of seconds. My rheostat is 150 ohms and can handle up to 150 watts, which means it can carry up to 1 amp across its full range. I 3D printed a knob so I can adjust it easily, and I also printed the resistance numbers. Now, my multimeter only measures small resistances with 0.1 ohm precision. So I got a vaping coil resistance meter instead. It's accurate to 0.01 ohms and measures up to 10 ohms. Right now, it reads 0.98 ohms. Pretty accurate. Time to make the homemade resistor. Commercial resistors are made of carbon, but I'm going to use copper. Roughly speaking, 1 ohm is about a meter of metal with a 1 mm superscript 2 cross-section, though the exact resistance depends on the metal. I'm coiling the wire so that the meter of copper fits neatly. That means this resistor will not only work for DC, but also has some AC impedance. So far, I have 0.71 ohms. I added another piece of copper, and now I'm at 1 ohm. I'm coiling it carefully, matching the size of a commercial 0.98 ohm resistor. If I apply 1 volt, it should carry 1 amp. But since it's such a low resistance, the wire itself adds a little resistance, so it carries just under 1 amp. Next, I'm checking the inductance. The commercial resistor shows 0.01 millihenries, which is high mainly because of the leads. My homemade resistor also measures 0.01 millihenries. I thought it might be a bit more. And there we have it. My homemade 1 ohm resistor, ready to test in upcoming experiments. See you in the next video.